Welcome back. See, when I entered here, like example.com, this is so-called it is domain name. When we are going to registering some like website, we are prepared a website like HTML pages, very plain and basic HTML pages will prepare. And we want to access this website globally. I mean to say that wherever the internet facility is available, from there I can go and enter my domain name. It's I am showing like example.com only, whereas it might be you registered based on your name or your firm name or company name or anything. Like my website, like I can simply say that it's now Harisystems.com. I have registered as a domain. I can call it as a website name, I can tell, and I can tell it as a website domain name. And this is the place which we are going to be entering some text. It is called URL, Unified Resource Locator. Very simple and easy techniques. You should know these all many things. You will learn within a 1 hour session. You will learn many things. Open this site and you will get in a subscription option like enter your email and name. You will get many alerts as soon as possible. We are trying to developing and implementing to making a free resources to who are unemployed and who are eagerly awaiting and learning many things from to grow yourself and who want to jumpstart their career with real-time programs and let's see, this is the site. You will have much information you will find out, and similarly you will get here like tutorials, top interview questions and answers, Python, Linux, AWS, data science, and ASP.NET. All the relevant tutorials are available here. You just go here like ASP.NET, the interview questions, which is covered like most familiar and most popular, and it would be like real-time challenges would be there. Very simply, you will get answers also, and these are the questions are made as an ready-made functionality with the video tutorial lectures are also available for you. You simply play it and avail of it. What are the interview questions and answers? How it will be asked, and how you should answer these questions. You will get much information. All right. Yes. Now let's see here. This is the session especially I have given for you to understand very simply, like preparing a simple website hands on you, like a complete life cycle. How it is possible? Very super easy and super simple techniques to prepare a simple like a website. And for this HTML website you want to prepare, first of all, I would like to tell you, like you have to I can call it as have a simple IDE editor, which is the most convenient. If you are already having and you are having any idea in software like HTML scripting and development IDEs, you go through it. As a beginner and you are a fresher to know more about such type of tools, you go with like a Sublime text editor. Go to Google, just type Sublime text, yeah, Sublime text and hit enter. Now you will get it like Sublime text, and this is the software. You will get it from the URL, and here you can hit download. Once you hit the download, see, you will get based on the operating system, the architecture. You have to choose this. Whether it may be 32-bit or 64-bit from Windows, or OS X, or Linux operating system. Based on the repo and the versions, you have to choose a build from the application like this site, and you can download it and you can install. And you need not to buy this software. All we are going to discussing with open source only. Okay. Now let's see here. Once it is downloaded and installed in your computer system, Then see here, like this is the Windows 10 operating system, Sublime Text. On start button, you will get an option called Sublime Text. You scroll down, these are two options. If you scroll down, you will find out Sublime Text Editor in this list, or else you just simply see this one. Or else you just simply type here, the search option is there in the left top bottom. Here, just simply enter Sublime. You will get this option, just match. Yes, you click it, and there you can find out how to join this option here. Okay, now what you do is very simple, easy to understand. Once you have opened successfully your website, like Sublime Text Editor, what you do is very simple and super easy techniques. I'll explain you right now. From here, file, new file I'm taking. Like freshly I have opened a Sublime Text Editor. Now file, new file, and just you have to untitle it is showing. We are going to preparing a simple basic HTML form. How we are going to be representing and how we are going to be presenting our data in a web manner and web page. See here, like I want to save this untitled page as with the extension of .html. Like see, if I see like Control S by pressing the Control S, that is the one option, and one more file save as. There is an option called file save as. See here, and you will be seeing where to be save this document. All right. On desktop, I have an already created demo option, or else I can use only desktop. I'm choosing as an office desktop. And here I'm typing like a first page, I'm making as a name as index.html. Now click save. Now see the name of the tab of the form, it is changed as index.html. Similarly, it is going to be saving like see. This is the page it is saved on desktop. Very easy. Alright. Now what I'm doing, this is the code editor. It will offer you behalf of yourself, it will create much code rather than you are typing. See, very simply less than HTML. I am typing HTML by entering the HT only. It is showing something there. HTML. Press on keyboard tab option. There is a tab key is there in your keyboard. You just press tab key. See what an awesome code it is written. All the code behalf of yourself it will be written. And the cursor is going to be blinking on title. There you have to concentrate on title for your page. What is the title? I can give like a sample, or you can specify your site name. Save it, control it, and on body, what we are going to be writing, it will be displayed on outside of the page. I'll explain you the life cycle and the structure of HTML form. Then we'll be back to here and we'll write. Okay. Example.com website is there. Very simple and super easy example. But I am seeing here example domain and some text is showing, and one link is clear. Now, if I right click any open place, if I right click here, view page source, just click the option of right click of the options is there from the mouse, and view page source if I click. See, entire HTML code, what it is going to be written for to display example.com site, it is showing here. The page code completely, if it is in HTML, it will be displayed here. Alright. Now see the structure. We have a tag called HTML, and before not doc type it is showing. See, I have expanded before. Yep. See, less than not doc type is HTML. This is the tag it is written here at the beginning of the page. Why we require to declare this? Very simple. The page, the HTML5, like a HTML version, at present it is going on HTML5, number 5. For the number 5, like HTML5 version is having advanced features rather than HTML4. To understand a document and the advanced features and controls, yes, this is an HTML form 5 form. To understand the browser, it can be declared as a not doc type space HTML. Once it is declared at the beginning of the page, which we are used the advanced features, which is the latest features and trending, and the most advanced features which we have used the tags and scripts in this particular page. Yes, it can be recognized as an HTML5 feature and it happily will work. And without having this tag, if you are applied latest and HTML5 features, it may affect. Okay, so it's a beginning of HTML. The beginning tag and end tag should be there for any HTML form. Should be mandatory. And within the HTML tags, we can call it as HTML elements or HTML tags or HTML scripts, open tag and end tag we can call it. Alright. For more tags and head and what is title, what is meta, what is style, all you will be known here. We have prepared a structured document very clearly for you to understand very super easily. Go over here for the tutorials, go to all tutorials. Here you will see an option called HTML. This is the web development HTML beginners to expert. See here, introduction, history, editors. What are the editors you are going to use? Basic examples, how to write, how to run, and comments, colors. All the HTML features you will learn very super easy with real-time examples. All right. And now see here, I want to be like give you more information, so I'm little bit quick. Now it is in a title example domain. It is written here, which is displaying at the top of the page. And meta tag means the data about the page it will be displayed. Nothing more than that. And if you want to make it as an HTML form as responsive, you just add a page to this meta tag. Very important for beginners and knowing about the HTML web pages and sites. Nowadays, one HTML page we are going to be developing and designing to have in a multiple different size of screens, like a laptop screen is different, and the computer system monitor screen is different, and mobile screen is different, tab is different, and a projector is different. How we are going to be handling all these screens to be adjusting the images, text, and all. Yes, by adding a very simple, easy line of meta tag, we can call it as, and the name equal to viewport, and content. These name contain these options. We can call it as attributes, the properties of that particular tag. And this tag will have values. What are the values? Name equal to viewport, and the content to be width, device width. What is the device width? Automatically it will be adjust the page length, height, and width. And the scale, initial scale, it can be by default it is 1, and automatically it can be modified based on of your landing page. Okay. Now go over here and see simply within the body it is represented one div tag. So open tag of div and end tag of div. And see h1 tag it is applied, H1 usually we are going to apply for heading of a page. Meaning like a H1 tags are having H1 to H6. We'll consider the like a HTML tutorial. We'll find more information regarding this. And now the paragraph tag means we'll write in a paragraph as much we require in HTML form. And the links, href link, it is displaying here. From here to some other page or some other link, some other HTML form we want to jump start. We can create it as an href link. A tag we can call it as. Okay. And the end tag of div and end with body. See, open tag and body end tag here, and ends with HTML. So called, this is the basic structure of a simple HTML form. Okay. Now we'll see here a simple example of HTML form here. Just see here. I have prepared a title example page. Alright, this is the title I have written, and the body I'm writing very simply. I'm placing a div tag here, div. See, tab, open and end tag automatically it will come. And I would like to explain you something like regarding this information. It would be what I can say that um, within the body we are writing some text and it is showing the text in the font. Whereas this is the Sublime Text Editor. If you are comfortable with Visual Studio Code, and that is one of the most popular and free IDE. This is also code editor, and this is also free code editor. And similarly, you will get an information of the different IDEs, like NetBeans IDE is there, Visual Studio Code is there, and Sublime Text Editor is there, and one more I can simply say that NetBeans Editor is there. These are all the editors which you are comfortable. You try to apply and use the code. You need not to switch on to the this editor. If you are comfortable, you just use. And the Notepad++ is also there. Someone who are familiar in writing this all the tags. Those who wants to start begin with the Notepad++. Okay. Now let's see here. Div tag I have entered very simply. See here, less than div, yeah, hit tab, and it will show you open tag and end tag. In between the tags, we need to write the HTML code. This is all the HTML code only. But we want to construct which one, like any of the tag we are opening, we need to end it, and in between the tags we need to write the text. But it should be displayed. And see here, we have discussed right now about the structure. Here also, we have a defined not doc type space HTML for HTML by understanding and identifying the HTML form. And HTML it is open tag and end tag. And head tag. This is the head tag will help you to calling scripts, calling JavaScript information, CSS design information, and a title will come under head tag. And after this head tag, but it will be body tag. What we are going to writing within the body, it will be displayed on our page. What we have seen, like see, and by writing this code, you just simply right click and open in browser. Okay, just simply open, right click and open in browser. See, this is the page only we are seeing here. Just simply I am making it as an output. Nothing is here. Why? We haven't written any information within the body. Okay, I'll make it and split it into the two parts. Very super easy. You will understand. Okay. Now let's see here. Within the body, I have prepared one tab tag, and within the div, what I'm doing, H1 tag yes, within the H1. Welcome to web design by Harisystems. Save it, and you just refresh this page which is already open. Just refresh, see wonderful information. Welcome to web design by Harisystems. We have seen H1 tag. We have seen here in H1 tag. You have to know which tag which are representing the text at the position in the whole web page. Okay, and I'm coming to know about the P tag. Okay, within the P means paragraph tag. Okay, this is paragraph, and I'm learning website design. Save it. Okay, once you have saved, and you can refresh the already opened index.html form. Just see, this is the paragraph, and I'm learning website design. Very super easy, you will learn, and I'm surely telling you. If you want to make more pages about us and contact us, you just create a new page and make it as a with the extension of .html, and you can specify there what the data you want to present on that particular page. You can write here, and you will be learn very super and easy techniques one by one. I'll explain you, and from now you don't skip any minute of lecture. And before jumping to start, I would like to offer you a simple question, like a simple tutorial called Complete Web Development for Beginners. The Complete Web Development 2020 course for beginners I'm offering you to avail a great opportunity. The sessions are having 200 and plus sessions with many, most of the real-time examples you will be get here. See here, go to Udemy and just type Shaker, my name only. You will get a course. The Udemy, what we have added courses for lifetime access. See this lecture, Complete Web Development 2020 Bootcamp. And I'm very much pretty interested to share you this information through this meeting information as well. Yeah. Yes. Here I have sent you the information like regarding the course, which who are interested and who wants to share with your friends. Try to share this link and avail them. Today it's a 45% of offer is there for this course. 700 only, and you will get an option like a 30-day money back guarantee and 19 hours of on-demand video, full lifetime access on TV or mobile, whichever the device is connected to the internet. Certificate of completion, you will be get it. I'm damn surely, and my personal promise, I'm telling you, and you will be become by having this course full stack web developer with a single course only. And you would be like in your resume, you can prepare and you can apply as a front end developer and back end developer, website designer, UI designer, and PHP developer. Yes, much options you will get it. Why? You observe this complete 13 sections. Each independent section is divided very clean and fully lectures. Now see, these are the HTML5 and CSS3, and here you will get JavaScript. Yes, and jQuery, how to integrate, how to apply, how to play with the jQuery, and Bootstrap 4, which is the fast and most popular responsive speed landing pages you can avail, like with maybe mobile web page development or Windows like web application development. Most of the persons are using Bootstrap 4 framework in their HTML5 form developments. How super easy you will be known here. Introduction. It will be any section will be begins with the for the beginners it is developed. And these are the lectures and WordPress content management system. Very super easy. Who are don't know about the coding, they can making the mouse clicks. They can create their own website and blogs. As a freelancer, you can serve to the companies as well. And the PHP, you see here, you will get much information with the less price. Very less I'm offering who are unemployed, who are very much interested to learn many and many. And here you will observe that how to call APIs as well. For this, there is a no requirement at all. I am understanding who are completed and recent graduates and who are not educated. No prior knowledge also not required for this course. And chat box, I have sent you a message. The link, who are interested, it would be the course would be with you forever, lifetime. Once it is completed, you will get a certification of completion of this course. You can put your resume called I am the complete web development 2020 bootcamp course. All right, go through these lectures and all, and before going to purchase, you I am assuring that you find out how it is going to be like a introduction, curriculum, get prerequisites, or you go through one by one, then you avail of it. All right. Now let's see jump starting with our course. Yes. Once it is done, like see, the once it is done with the web page, what you need to do to align and to assign some menu items are there. To integrate all together of web pages, it is highly essential and highly required. For that, very simple and super easy technique I'll tell you. Go to Google. You just simply apply your smartness. Most of the people, they know how to search and they know what they want to grab it. How it is? Go to Google, just type free HTML template, website template. Yes, do it. Free CSS and template tempo. Many of the sites you will get. And see here, templated.co, like free CSS, HTML5 and responsive sites. I'm going with this link. Anyone, you search many different type of links and the menu items are there. Whichever you comfortable, you go through with that. There's no more particular. Like what the people they may interest on something, and some of the people they may interest on like a different, and it should be matched on based on the profile and I can simply distinguish these things like pharma industry site you are going to be developing. So accordingly, you have to choose pharma related template. Most of the work it will be ready-madely it will be there. Template means it's in a page like website, it is predefinedly built by someone. You can avail of it and you can customize this template and make it as your own and you can use it. Freely they are offered. Okay. Now see here, some of the free are there and most of the professional versions are also there for the templates. If you want and if you are feel comfortable with the professional version, you have to pay a little bit of amount and you have to buy that particular template. See, I'm scrolling down and for a portfolio which suits you, you can choose. See, this is the premium, so we won't get any free from this. And this is also like without if it is not premium, so it is free. Yeah, like anyone I can choose from here. Yeah. Shall I go with beautiful of yes? This one I can go. Is it free? Yes, it is free. Now download. You just click on download. You will get complete template. See, download. Let's say it is going to be downloading. Once it is downloaded, what you need to do is extract the file in your local system, and you have to make a customization. It's a very simple and super easy. Once you have opened this particular template in your code editor, wherever it is required, before going to template level, you have to understand what are the tags, where how you are going to be handling, and how many important and basic tags are there. You can go through with our tutorial and you find out. Then it will make you very easy, and by doing some options very super simple. Extract this one. Once it is downloaded, it's a templated broadcast. Yes, it is done. Yeah. Once it is done, I am opening here itself. Okay. On index.html, before going to opening, I am running open with the browser of Microsoft Edge. Which you comfortable, you can use the browser. There is no restriction, and there is no point of that. All right. Yeah. See, this is it is running from my local computer system. And this is the broadcast. This is the template it is having myself. Yes, I can do my customization any with this template. How super easy. Without doing any and without writing a single line of code, I am availing this template freely. See, broadcast by templated. If you want to change this broadcast by templated, you open in your editor index.html. Go here and right click on index, open with Sublime Text Editor, or you convenient any of your editor. Yes, what do we want to change now? See, broadcast by templated. Yeah, broadcast by templated. Here it is there, no? Like I can simply change by Harisystems by Shekhar. I have written. Very simply, I have changed. Save it, and it is already opened here. All right, it is already open. So what I'm doing, refresh. Very simply, the HTML need not require much efforts on your local computer. By defaultly, the browser will compile it and it will run and it will show you output what other changes have been made by you on using code editor on HTML page. So save it and refresh. Wow, it's done. Harisystems by Shekhar. Am I written any single line of code till now? No. So this is broadcast. It is showing some information. So I can change. This is Harisystems. Very simply, how? Open the page and where you can find out where is this is broadcast. You need to do where is this broadcast. What do you want to do? That's it. What do you want to change? Where it is available in your code and change your text. That's it. Nothing. You just simply sit on back, relax. Everything would be done by template itself. See, this is broadcast it is showing. So what I'm doing here, this is Harisystems. Simply save it. Hurry, save it and reload. What's the beauty? It's done. Having an understanding about typing, I'm expecting you from. That's it. Once you are successfully typed a text, what you need, you just create an HTML. Yeah, this is the text. It will be displayed here. Yeah, this is the text only. I hope so. You can very easily and super easily change as requirement of your context. And this is the button. You can. What is the button and all? You can see this is the link button only. And you understand the basic like div tag and h1 tag, paragraph, what it is and how it is. You have to practice. By understanding the basics, very super easy, you can create a website successfully. I'm damn sure I'm telling you. All right, this is the menu items. It will come. If you don't want, you can close it. You can make it as a customization of your names. Everything will be displayed on this page. Very simply and easy technique also I'll tell you, like something Sodale it is showing here. You just copy over here on page and you can just search here in this code. See, it is Sodale, it is fine. Just rename it, save it, reload. That's all. I hope you are having a good idea how to do all these things. Once you have successfully designed and customized your own template, it might be like a contact us page, any page you can add here. And the footer also, links also you can separate and specify your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all the IDs, and you can also customize this text by yourself, what you are offering or your name. You can make it, everything can be customized by yourself. Okay, and also you can change this background pages and images. What you need to do is, we'll find what we have downloaded, this context is there now. Here on images, which image you want to replace, very simply, you take appropriate good image and rename this, and with the name of that image you can paste here. Done. It can be done by yourself. Very super. All right. And what I'm doing and what I'm telling you, once you have successfully completed by developing your HTML, what you need to do is, very simply, you have to take a domain name with the hosting space. So for any of your domain service of providers, like GoDaddy is there, BigRock is there, and many of the service providers are offering like this facility. You just simply, what you do is, you simply purchase a domain name with hosting space accordingly what your requirements by using FileZilla. This is an FTP tool. The FileZilla, I'll show you. This is again open source only. You can have it and download this one and install. And here I'll tell you like FileZilla. All right. This is the FileZilla, like a FTP tool. You can download and install file transfer protocol. To handling file transfer protocol, you will get it this particular software. See, once it is downloaded and installed, you will get an IP address and credentials from your hosting server. From that, what you do is FileZilla. Yeah, go over. See, yeah, host. What is the server IP? You have to enter, and username and password provided by hosting service provider. And the port number for FTP default it is 21 is port number. Strongly remember, and you will be get an interview question as well. These are the so networking questions, and while connecting and interacting web server. So call it is called hosting space and hosting domain name we are registering. It is hosting environment, we can call it as. For that, to connect that hosting server and find where is your local software in your local computer, which you wherever you are saving your files and all, and take to upload into the production server, you will get a website very super easy and successful.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yeah, Ashok, you have any time? Give me 5 minutes. I'll send you allocate some time for any clarification.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
And once it is uploaded your application into the hosting server, you need to test. Before going to uploading, you have to test in your local computer system thoroughly without error. And once it is done, you go to upload into your computer system, like a hosting server. Once you have a registered your domain name, you will get Harisystems.com. Like you will be entered this domain name. Now see here. Likewise, you have to, before going to be uploading all this content, you have to be prepare and in your local computer system and you have to upload. Then it will be live and public and whenever it can be accessible for anywhere. And likewise, you have to prepare menu item and all. Accordingly, you have to choose template and do the very super easy, simple and easy thing. All right. And see, and before going to its beginning session means you can be make it as a passion education under construction page you will be placed. Because if it is, there is a no data at your hosting place, once it is done, your content and everything, you just place and which is the real time content of your context is there, and you will get much and super easy of website hosting. You will be any clarifications and any doubts, you may approach us like Harisystems at gmail.com website. Like the email address is there, and you will have an communication of through this site. You will get in a contact us page. From here, you can get our get. You will be super easy to reach us. Will help you. And before going to be asking any help, you will try to go through these HTML lecture for this and go through all the lectures. Once it is completed, you will be having a very clear. If it is still any clarification, yes, you can approach. All right. Yes. Now you can ask any clarifications and any doubts. Yes, Ashok.
Sir, will I get a Bootstrap websites also free, sir?
Yes, you will get. For that, how you will
Uh,
means like go to Google. Like what you need to do is like free bootstrap templates you need to. Like if you want latest, you can go with the 20. See, there is a much more huge templates are available in Bootstrap. See, you have to search in Google. See this one, they are giving 24 amazing Bootstrap templates to try in 2020. Go through or else start bootstrap.com and getbootstrap.com is there. Official site of Bootstrap it is like getbootstrap.com. Bootstrap 4 is the latest version of framework. And see, getbootstrap.com is there now. See, this is the Bootstrap site. You will. This is the official site, and you will get official information regarding the Bootstrap, how to integrate and all. You will be getting. And we have a scene here. See, three Bootstrap themes. Yes, you get it like admin team. You can download and freelancer free Bootstrap portfolio. By downloading this, and you can customize very simple and a very less time. You can create a making and a wonders. Find out here, Mr. Ashok. You will get more. And you need not to pay any amount for Bootstrap. Actually, it's absolutely free.
got it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Any clarification? Who are interested to join my course at Udemy, like a 200 and plus sessions are there for beginners, especially who are very much pretty interested in development of web application and who wants to start a career as a freelancer or beginner. Avail of this course, and it's a very low cost price, and the complete web development 2020 bootcamp having many projects. Every section is having, you will get in a mini project and major project as well. Means 13 sections means you will get around 26 of projects you will get in this course. Hopefully it will be give you more advantage and add on for your resume? I'll see you at course at Italy. Yeah, that's all for today. I hope you are enjoyed a lot for this session and knowing many things to create, how to create and how to handle like a simple web page design and website designing, the life cycle of the architecture of HTML form and HTML website. See you at course, and who are interested in web development course, they can approach us by submitting their details of contact us form is there, and approach us for this contact details Harisystems. You will get in a contact details of the bottom of this here. You will get it. Will definitely help you and will for making for you a success of your career. Thank you for participating and thank you for here to spending more valuable time.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Ashok.
Sir, can you send me recorded video this one?
Yes, yes. You will get in my, you know my channel, Harisystems.
Can you give me mail ID or YouTube link?
Yeah, you will actually you are seeing that this one no, like a chart option, chart messages. Are you following here, Ashok?
Not there, sir. Chat messages.
Yeah, here you are seeing no chat messages. Just see here. You just simply type on Harisystems on YouTube.
All Harisystems click means get the video, sir.
Yes, we are going to uploading this video at Harisystems very soon. You will get there.
Today's session also upload. No. Today's session also uploaded on YouTube.
This session also uploaded, will be uploaded very soon, and you will have much information there for all the like related to software languages, developments, and all.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Subscribe and share with your group also. We'll upload
Okay, sir.
and specify your comments as well.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Ashok. Thanks for all for your spacing a little bit time for us. Thank you.